Hello, third grade, and welcome to Positive Action for today. Today we're going to do a special edition of Positive Action because it is Thanksgiving week. We're going to learn about two new words, kindness and gratitude. So kindness is something that you can do. So when you are showing kindness, you are showing people that you value who they are. Now I have a challenge for you. Over break, I want you to try to check off some of these kindness on this to-do list. Say hi to someone new. Pay a genuine compliment. That means that you tell someone something you like about them that you really mean. So not just like, you're pretty, but saying something like, you have a great attitude. You can teach a 5-minute lesson. Maybe you have little siblings and you could teach them something new. You can admit one quality you admire of someone, so something you like about them. You can give your family, maybe help them with their Thanksgiving meal, help them cook if they need some help them clean up. Share a meal together. You can check in to see how someone is doing during a day. Maybe your parents are getting really stressed about Thanksgiving and you can ask them, how are you doing today? Is there anything I can help you with? You can play a game together. You can, let's see, we'll skip probably those two. Draw a picture for someone. You can make a handmade present. Make someone laugh. Or get to know someone a little bit better. So there are things you can do to show people that you care about them. And that helps their self-concept. It helps them think more positively about themselves. The second part we're going to look at today is gratitude. Now, maybe you've heard this word before, maybe you haven't, but gratitude means being thankful for what you have. You kind of see the word great in there, so that's another way to help you remember being grateful or thankful for what you have. In our activity today, we are going to have to think really hard of all of the things we have that we can be grateful for. On your class kick today, you have a challenge, a gratitude challenge, to come up with one thing you are grateful for using each letter of the alphabet. So maybe, let's say, I'm thinking about my family and what I'm really thankful for, and I am really thankful that I have a job. I'm so thankful that I have a job that I love and I can come every day with a positive attitude. Maybe I'm really thankful for my dad. My dad's name is Ty. I'm very thankful for all of my siblings. I'm grateful for my siblings. I have gratitude towards my siblings. Maybe I'm thankful that I have a house. So everything that you are grateful for, I want you to try to fill out as many letters as you possibly can and think about everything you are grateful for that you had gratitude towards. Once you are finished filling this out, as many as you can, you might not get them all, then you'll be done with positive action for today.